2025 effective until 11:20 p.m. Pine Valley, Utah. Residents should immediately evacuate due to fire in the area. More info, https://fireInfo.com/.
Oops, didn't mean to.
Warning for the following counties or areas. Washington, Utah, at 9:49 p.m. on John 19, 2025, effective until 11:49 p.m. Hi, Utah, evacuees. The information/rest center will be set up at the Day of Church 176 East Center. Monitor https://UTAHDNR.com/.
Type of thing. When we come back after the break, let's go back to what we really started this week with, and that is the Snow Kings organization and the Snow Kings rally that occurred this weekend in Salt Lake. The national organization has taken some issues with the way the Salt
in the low 60s with afternoon highs in the mid.
Washington, Utah, at 7:21 p.m. on June 21st, 2025, effective until 8:21 p.m. Update, advisory only for Pinto. Grass Valley should evacuate due to fast-moving wildfire.
Okay, buddy, there you go.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone will have been followed by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Back up on a voice.
by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Bro!
Oh, please, no, bitch.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems.
Whatever.
Official messages. Utah operation.
Okay, where you go through, Kato? Where you go through, please. Please. Please, Kato. Okay. Oh, here we go. Finally. You were late. 10 minutes late. 10 minutes late. Okay, will your sister stations go through?
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone would have been followed by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Does it look like 10:45? It's literally 11:08.
Stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone would have been followed by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Britain will purchase 12 U.S. F-35s.
Prime Minister Keir Starmer made the announcement while attending a later scientific
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning device. specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers annually are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next good weather day. Lifestyle. Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, central Davis County in northern Utah, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Salt Lake City International Airport, or near Salt Lake City, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, Farmington, Kaysville, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Wicks Cross, West Bountiful, Salt Lake City International Airport, Fruit Heights, and Antelope Island State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 311 and 315, and between mile markers 317 and 329. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 108 and 118. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near the Great Salt Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Davis and Salt Lake. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Box Elder County in northern Utah until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 21 miles northeast of Montello, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grouse Creek and Etna. This includes Utah Route 30 near mile marker 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Box Elder, Utah. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a
severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Weber County in northern Utah, South Central Ridge County in northern Utah, Morgan County in northern Utah, northwestern Summit County in northern Utah, until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of you into near Morgan to near East Canyon State Park, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morgan, Cooville, East Canyon State Park, Hanover, Emory, Portersville, Croydon, Echo, Stoddard, Peterson, Rickville, and Echo Reservoir. This includes the following highways: Interstate 84 between mile markers 96 and 119. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 163 and 184. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Weber, Utah.
Fire on Deer Haven Road. Evacuate immediately. San Juan Co-Sheriff, updated area: evacuate the area off of Upper 2 Mile RD to the Utah-Colorado border or within 5 miles of this incident. San Juan Co-Sheriff, updated area: evacuate the area off of Upper 2 Mile RD to the Utah-Colorado border or within 5 miles of this incident. San Juan Co-UT, Ray Mesa residents are on a set alert. If you are told to evacuate, you must leave the area immediately. All others receiving this are on a ready alert. Evacuation is possible, stay alert. Evacuation notice: La Salle zones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are still under current evacuation orders. Zone 7 is ready status. Zone 8 is set status. Please follow all evacuation orders. Old La Salle evacuation orders still in effect. La Salle zones 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are still under current evacuation. Go. Zone 7 is ready. Zones 5 and 8 are set. Please follow all evacuation orders.